And anticipation anticipates the next note. Okay, so at a cadence, and no matter how much ritardando that we do, the anticipation must always have the intention of moving towards the next note. They belong together. Okay, so again, using alternate articulations, to do or to do, yeah. Ease up on the air, diminuendo through that. Really help to bring the two together. So very often, sometimes, especially when we're relaxing at the end of the phrase, or we're doing a significant ritardando, this gets kind of lost, or sometimes we end up not placing this in a natural way, that we end up actually, this is becomes part of this, and then the resolution stays on its own, and it can actually bring a lot of ensemble issues. Actually, it's really hard to be able to play together. So if you always keep in mind that this is one unit with two parts, yeah, so this goes on to the next, no matter in what proportion that is, this is actually going to be the easiest musically, as well as kind of ensemble technique wise, yeah. You know, think of the word amour, for example, yeah, so which is one word with two syllables, yeah, so this, like, just like here, anticipation and resolution, this is one entity with two parts. Now, also, I want to talk about when Ava and I were discussing about this lecture today, she shared the wonderful tip with me from Bart Kuiken, which he refers to this pattern as the merci beaucoup. Okay, so you've got merci is the trill, and beaucoup. So beaucoup is one word with two syllables. Merci beaucoup. Yeah, so those, knowing how to group them is also really crucial musically, and also for technical purposes.